soil. The word soil I have already explained in the terms, which means the uppermost layer of the earth which is rich in organic and inorganic materials. When we talk about the soils in India, they can be classified into 6 different categories, and we will pick each of them separately. The first kind of soil which is found in India is the alluvial soil. Well, this alluvial soil is the most widespread soil of India, which means most parts of the country have alluvial soil. Next is, how is it made? How is this soil formed? It is formed by the deposition of rivers, especially the Ganga, Brahmaputra and the Indus. That is when the rivers deposit the silt and the sand that leads to the alluvial soil. Well, naturally this soil is very fertile in nature and excellent for cultivation. Therefore, wherever this soil is found, it is highly populated. Well, in India, it is found in the northern plains and the eastern coastal plains of India. So, the first kind of soil that you have seen is the alluvial soil, which is abundant in India, which is widespread in India, formed by the deposition of rivers, especially the Ganga, Brahmaputra and the Indus. Very fertile, highly populated and found in the northern plains and the eastern coastal plains of India. Next kind of soil that we are going to see is the black soil. As the name suggests, the soil is black in nature, and this soil is best suited for cotton cultivation. Well, now how is this black soil formed? The black soil is formed due to the weathering of igneous rocks, and it is found in the northwestern part of peninsular India. Now, which are those parts of the northwestern part of peninsular India? We can take up the states like Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Remember, alluvial soil very fertile, black soil fit for cotton cultivation.